CARSJADE, your home for smart car reviews, fresh auto news, and honest takes on everything rolling out soon. Today, we're looking at a car that's been a fan favorite for years, the 2026 Honda Civic Sedan. Spoiler alert, it's evolved, refined, and it's looking seriously sharp. The new Civic doesn't try to reinvent itself with wild gimmicks, it just gets better at everything it already does well. This is still the compact sedan that blends daily usability with great fuel efficiency, fun driving dynamics, and surprisingly premium features for the price. Let's start with that exterior design. The 2026 Civic carries over the slick updates from the previous model year but sharpens its profile with more elegant body lines and improved aerodynamics. Up front, you'll find a wider, cleaner grille and slimmer LED headlights that give it a sporty, mature face. Along the sides, subtle sculpting and a slightly lower roofline enhance its sleek silhouette, while the rear features angular taillights and an integrated trunk spoiler that adds a premium, almost European touch. Hop inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels way above its price point. Honda kept that minimalist design language from the last refresh and made it even more intuitive. A horizontal mesh strip conceals the air vents across the dash, giving it a clean, upscale look. Depending on trim, you'll get a high-resolution touchscreen ranging from 9 to 12.3 inches with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. There's also a digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, USB-C ports, and even an available head-up display. Higher trims offer goodies like a 12-speaker Bose sound system, dual-zone climate control, and leather-trimmed seats, features you'd expect in a car twice the price. As for what's under the hood, Honda keeps it simple and smart. The base engine is a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that puts out a solid 180 horsepower and 177 lb-ft of torque. It's responsive, fuel-efficient, and comes with either a CVT or, if you're lucky enough to grab an C version, a crisp-shifting 6-speed manual. For those leaning into eco-performance, there's a Civic Hybrid model as well. It pairs a 2.0-liter engine with dual electric motors, delivering up to 200 horsepower and an impressive 232 lb-ft of torque. Even better, it's quick off the line and delivers fuel economy in the 50 miles per gallon range, making it one of the most balanced hybrids in the compact class. So when can you get your hands on one? The 2026 Honda Civic Sedan is expected to arrive in dealerships by late 2025, likely in October or November. Pricing starts at around $25,500 for the base LX trim and goes up to about $33,500 for the fully loaded Touring Hybrid variant. So here's the bottom line. The 2026 Honda Civic Sedan is everything you love about the Civic. Just more refined, more high-tech, and still fun to drive. Whether you're commuting daily, road tripping with friends, or just want reliable style and efficiency, the new Civic should definitely be on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, tap the bell so you don't miss future updates, and subscribe to CARSJADE for more real reviews and deep dives into the cars that matter. Thanks for watching, and remember, drive smart, live free.